What if I told you your next phone could unfold into a tablet, shoot like a DSLR, survive dust storms, and still fit in your pocket? Well, brace yourself, because the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G is not just an upgrade. It's a tech revolution wrapped in glass and metal. And here's the twist. It might be the first foldable that actually feels finished. Let's dive into the top 10 incredible features that are turning heads. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. It completely changes everything. For years, Samsung played it safe. Small updates, same old crease, and a price tag that made your wallet cry for help. But with competition from Huawei and OnePlus heating up, Samsung's been backed into a corner. And you know what happens when tech giants get cornered? They swing big. Enter the Z Fold 7. Thinner than ever at just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, with a jaw-dropping 8-inch main display and a refined 6.5-inch cover screen. That's not just numbers. That's real estate in your pocket. Think about it. You're holding a mini tablet that folds in half, and yet feels smoother than ever. But that's just the warm-up. Let's talk power. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to ship with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making it a literal pocket-sized beast. Apps, instant, games, effortless, multitasking like a boss. And then there's the 200-megapixel main camera. Yeah, 200. That's DSLR-level imaging, but on a foldable. Basically, it's like having the Galaxy S25 Ultra living inside your Fold. But it doesn't stop there. The under-display camera? Sharper. The display crease? Almost invisible. Samsung's new foldable panels debuted at MWC 2025, and they looked like sci-fi. Plus, we've got One UI 8 on the horizon, based on Android 16. Samsung's rushing to fix the mess from One UI 7, and Z Fold 7 might be the first to showcase the clean, refined UI experience fans actually deserve. Oh, and just for fun, bigger vapor chambers, louder speakers, and an improved vibration motor. Because who doesn't want their phone to rumble like a mini subwoofer? Quick question. If your phone doesn't feel like a mini computer and sound like a concert, is it even 2025? Here's the real kicker. Improved water and dust resistance. That was the Achilles heel of foldables. But not anymore. Samsung's finally bringing flagship durability to the foldable world. And the best part? All of this might land this summer. But here's the thing. If you wait too long, you'll miss the wave. The Z Fold 7 isn't just an upgrade. It's a line in the sand between what foldables used to be and what they can become. And we're just getting started. If your mind's already blown, wait until you see the wild feature that didn't even feel real in our next video. Z Fold 7 is so insane, it doesn't even feel real. Tap that thumbnail now and step into the future, one fold at a time.